Your home might be hiding a secret: water damage. Many homeowners don't realize how fast water can infiltrate walls, floors, and ceilings. Left unchecked, it can cause mold, structural damage, and even health issues. But don't worry, AWR Restoration and Cleaning is here to help. Here's how hidden water damage starts: small leaks in plumbing or roofs that go unnoticed, condensation around windows, walls, or in basements, spills or minor flooding that seems harmless. Why early detection is critical: prevents mold growth, stops wood rot and structural weakening, saves thousands in repair costs. Our process at AWR Restoration and Cleaning: advanced moisture detection. We use moisture meters and infrared scanners to spot hidden damage. Air quality testing detects mold spores and allergens. Full restoration services from water extraction to drying, repairs, and prevention. Pro tip: even if you don't see any leaks, trust your senses. Musty smells, stains, or warped floors are early warnings, and acting fast can save your home. So, what should you do if you suspect hidden water damage? Call AWR Restoration and Cleaning immediately. Avoid DIY fixes that can make things worse. Let certified experts handle inspections, drying, and repairs safely. Remember, water spreads fast, but so do solutions, if you act quickly. Contact AWR Restoration and Cleaning today.